How to turn off Snapchat shutter sound. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can turn off the shutter sound on the Snapchat. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to turn off the shutter sound on the Snapchat, you can use some steps. So first of all, you can use the silent mode. So from there you can use the silent mode. Put your phone in the silent mode before taking a snap, and this will mute the camera shutter sound on the Snapchat. Also guys, you can decrease the sound. And another option is to decrease the volume on your device before taking a snap, and this will also prevent the shutter sound from the playing. Also guys, so it's important to note that the Snapchat does not have a built-in option to disable the camera shutter sound, so these workarounds are used to mute the sound. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.